we got all
Did you
of
see
them?
how he walked? That was some bullshit.
Yeah.
I'm on the wall.
I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.
Yep.
That's still recharging. That spell is free.
Watch the mine.
That's still recharging.
Watch the mine. Watch the mine.
Just keep pulling back while you do this.
Nice. Good job.
How long do you believe your pathetic sorcery can hold me?
It was weird pathing.
One of the dudes you hit literally took a left turn and walked just far enough over to grab the other group.
It's all good.
It was on
done.
purpose. It was Blizzard trying to kill us, dude.
Oh, okay.
That's still recharging. I can't drink anymore. That spell isn't ready. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. That spell isn't ready. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging. I can't cast that yet. It's too far away.
That shield just bounced off to the other side. Insane.
Yeah, it like skipped the silence or the Sept Warlock and went to the other demon.